这个文呢特别多，我们先开始讲冬箫是怎么翻译英文。我用英文介绍一下啊。So how do we translate the instrument 冬箫? First, we have to know what the 冬箫 is and what the 冬箫 isn't. So this is a 笛子, horizontally played flute. In Chinese, we say 横笛竖箫. So the 笛子 is played horizontally, and the 箫 is played vertically. And actually, because they're both flutes, sometimes the 冬箫 is referred to as 竖笛 or vertically played flute. The 箫 is also distinct from the 尺把 or the Japanese shakuhachi. Okay, there is a version of the 箫called the 南箫 or the southern style 箫 that's very similar, maybe a common ancestor. Okay, but still not quite the same thing. So what makes the 冬箫 unique? If we literally translate it, the 冬 means a hold, and 箫is a notched flute. So we could call it the hold and notched flute, or a notched flute with holes. We don't really translate it. That sounds a little bit strange in English. But what we do know is the origin of the 冬箫 is this, the 排箫. So 排箫means a row, 一排, like one row of 箫. So it's a row of notched flutes. And you can see this notch. That helps change the sound of each individual flute. Okay, we would call this panpipes in English. So now, if we take a look again at the 冬箫, we can see that by covering the holes that are on the front of the flute, we can actually imitate the different lengths of the panpipes, of the 排箫. So we have the hold version of 排箫. So that's where we get the name 冬箫, very, very special instrument. I've spent a lot of time researching it and practicing, and I've actually just published my second textbook going over music notation and introducing it. So there's always more to learn, but I hope this helps get you started.